Today's video is a free investing course designed to save you time and money that will hold your hand and help you to become an investor, someone who can invest with confidence and skill. This is part 2 of complete investing and will be done in 5 simple steps. This time it's a bit different as we're going to be covering more advanced investing strategies. This video has loads of info that will give you everything you need to invest with confidence, like getting you ready for the next crypto bull market, so you can invest safely and give yourself the opportunity to make life-changing returns. A big statement, I know, but I've been investing in crypto for 6 years and I know what's possible. This step-by-step process will teach you 1, how to invest, 2, where to invest, and 3, how to invest safely. This last point is a big one. I've lost big in my 20 years of investing, like losing over £200,000 of crypto gains after the last bull market in 2021. But don't worry, I've made all the mistakes so you don't have to. And I've also had some big wins, so I can demonstrate what not to do and exactly what you should be doing as a skilled investor. Step 1, how to start crypto investing. Let me take you back to 2017 when I first started crypto investing. I was clueless. My cousin persuaded me to get into crypto, and this particular cousin has got serious credibility as an investor and has been in the crypto space since 2012. He told me about a few altcoins, so I put 2,000 in each. It went like this. I invested 2,000 in the first altcoin and it went up to 20,000. I didn't cash out and I lost money. I invested 2,000 in the second altcoin, it went up to 10,000, and again I didn't cash out, and again I lost money. It was similar with the third altcoin I invested into. Well over 30,000 of crypto profits lost because I was clueless. This is how not to start crypto investing. I lost out because I hadn't taken the time to learn about crypto. If I could go back to 2017, this is what I'd do. I would learn all about Bitcoin. Then I would learn about Ethereum. These two are the top 2 in terms of market cap and have the most credibility at the time of this video. Once you learn and understand Bitcoin and a few of the other altcoins, then you can start investing, but only start with a small amount, money you can afford to lose, and invest that small amount each week or each month until you build up a decent level of confidence. As you start investing, you'll need to learn how to deposit money into an exchange. You swap fiat currency to your preferred crypto, then you will need to transfer your crypto from one place to another, like an exchange to a cold wallet. The info in this course is just skimming the surface. If you want to know more info, more about crypto, see below in the description. There you'll find the full course, Complete Investing for Beginners, Part 2. This free course is useful to any beginner, but it's a condensed version of the full course. Step 2, property investing for beginners. The benefits of property investing are huge and in my mind should be part of any investor's overall portfolio. Property investing is something I've been doing since I was 19, so that's now over 20 years. I've made many mistakes in property and had to learn the hard way. Like buying a property in a rough area because I thought the area was going to be redeveloped. This was after reading one article in the local newspaper. 17 years on and that area hasn't been redeveloped. And if anything, it became much worse. But after years of poor investing decisions, I finally found a way to start making smart choices in property. Let's look at some things for you to consider at the start of your property journey. Research first and look for areas of strong rental demand, local amenities, etc. And make sure you know your calculations like net yield and gross yield. You also need to learn the buying process and how to manage your property or properties. A useful tool is the How to Rent guide. This offers loads of information and can be found on the gov.uk website. I would buy 1 or 2 properties to start with and manage them yourself. This will be your property investing apprenticeship. When you've bought 1 or 2 properties and you've got some experience, you can then start thinking about creative strategies like serviced accommodation or HMOs, house of multiple occupancy, and this will increase your cash flow, which is a good thing. Step 3, how to invest in any market at any time. This is something worth learning and understanding. I struggled after the financial crisis of 2008. This was down to my poor emotional intelligence and the fact I had zero financial education. I chased quickies and money. I gambled. I didn't buy any assets during a negative 10-year period. I basically took the path of least resistance, the easy path, and it didn't work out. And my struggles with the financial crisis contributed to poor mental health, like stress and anxiety, and I would even say mild depression at certain times. You can avoid this by learning how to invest. You're heading in the right direction by watching this video. Keep learning, like reading books about expert investors who've learned how to invest in market ups and downs for decades. No matter what you want to do or achieve, someone somewhere has been there and done it. Open your mind, be curious, and you will find a way of succeeding as an investor, no matter what the economy is doing. Markets are cyclical, and this is something we need to adapt to as investors. In the full course, again, the link can be found below. I use case studies to show you how to invest during recessions and market crashes. I start off with how not to do it, as I struggled during and after the financial crisis of 2008, as I've touched on. Then I go into how I've managed to invest with skill during COVID and other difficult periods. Step 4, advanced investing strategies. This is where it starts to get exciting. I became a serious investor in 2019, and this is because I'd finally made the decision to immerse myself in learning about money and investing. I focused on the basics like personal finance. I got back into the stock market in a safe way with index investing, and I also got back into property investing. This was all in 2019, but I didn't rush in. I put the work in, like reading one book every week for 6 to 7 months before starting to invest into index funds in mid-2019. This is the way to do it from my experience and all the books I've read over the years. There are loads of scammers out there offering easy ways to make high returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Just something to be aware of when you do start to think about advanced investing. Let's take stocks for example. To do it safely, you can invest into index funds or ETFs, exchange traded funds. They are safer than single stocks, but you can make high returns from single stocks. I've started to invest in single stocks, but in a safe way, and I'm focused on protecting my money, like putting stop losses in. I tend to go for stop losses of 6 to 7%, and this means that if the price of one of my stocks goes down by 7%, it will automatically be sold. Another way of advanced investing is with crypto, like choosing a few altcoins in the top 50 in terms of market cap. I have a portfolio of roughly 10 altcoins in the top 50. This is what suits me based on my risk tolerance and goals. There are loads of advanced investing strategies to consider, like forex trading or crypto trading. At this moment in time, these strategies aren't for me because I think they would take over my life. The point with advanced investing is that it has the potential to increase your returns and speed up the time it takes for you to hit your long-term goals, your financial goals, like becoming financially independent. Step 5, accelerating towards financial independence. Financial independence is a big deal to me, and I really hope it is to you as an investor. To me, it means doing more of the things I love with the people I love. It's having more freedom to choose what you do with your time. What does it mean to you? And how do we get to this point? One of the ways of doing this is by going digital. You might start a podcast and it might do really well. All of a sudden your podcast is making you serious money and you can invest that extra income. This is just one example. There are loads of things you can do by going digital or online, like starting a YouTube channel. Your channel does well and you can get monetized. There are YouTubers making millions each year because their channel has grown to a certain level. The world is changing fast. All I'm getting at here is that we should at least consider moving along with this digital age we're in. However you do it, I feel a side hustle will really accelerate you towards your financial independence. You could get a side hustle or even a second income, like a driving job on the weekend or even a bar job. This could make you like £1,000 per month, and this extra income can go straight into your investments. You might think, what's the point? Like, you might want extra money to get you some more stuff you don't really need. The way I see it, once you fully get financial independence, you will do whatever you can to earn more and invest more. To be totally honest, the main aim of this video is to funnel you towards the full course, Complete Investing Part 2. For a very low price, I give you all of my 20 years of investing experience, and it comes with a money back guarantee. Again, see below for the link. The final plug for this course, I promise. Like with any of my videos, I really hope that this has in some way helped you as an investor. If you want more content like this, you can subscribe to the channel. Your support really does mean the world to me, as I look to help as many investors like you as possible. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.